If you want to transcribe a voice recording on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first of all, we're gonna go to the voice recorder. And of course, you need to record something. You need to have a recording, and we're gonna open it. Now, once you open the recording, you're gonna tap on the Galaxy AI icon, so these stars that we have here in the upper right corner, and then you should be able to find the transcribe option. So we're gonna select it. Now wait a couple of seconds and you should be able to get the transcription. Actually, of course, the longer the recording is, the longer it's going to take to transcribe the recording. But there we go, this is how it looks like. As you can see here, we can touch and hold to rename the speaker. We should be able to at least do so. There we go. So you should be able to change it. You can also include contacts and so on and so forth. Here we have our transcription. You can tap on any text to be immediately skip to that part where that word is being said. So you can do that. And that is pretty much it. Of course, you should still be able to, for example, edit the transcription in case there is something wrong. You can easily edit that. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.